Hello, today we are going to do a fun, easy art idea. Super simple if you can make anything that resembles a circle. So what we're going to do today is we are going to use some yellow paint, pink, white, and black. And we're going to try and make some farm animals. So, start off nice and simple. Let's do a yellow one first. Put it on a palette or anything, you can go ahead and just do it on your paper. You are literally going to make a circle. This one is ultimately going to look, hopefully, kind of like a chicken or a chick. Let's see, I'm going to put my tail back here. So that's all I need to start with. I'm going to let this dry though. So while I am letting that one dry, I'm going to grab another piece of paper and my next color. I'm going to make a pig. So again, all you need to do is make a circle. There, my pigtail. For my last one, I want to make a cow. I'm just going to make a Jersey cow, which means it needs to be white and black. Well, this one I'm going to put a bit of white on here anyhow, even though it's white on white paper. There's a few drops of black. Give it a regular splotchy shape. This cow's going to get a tail right here. Once your painting is a little bit dry, it doesn't have to be all the way dry, but once it's a little bit dry, you can add the details to your funny little animals. So I'm going to start with the cow, since this is the one I love here. So the first thing you're going to do is trace the outside of your cow. You need to draw an inside circle. Oh, now I don't know about your cow. My cow needs a little snout. It needs some eyes. And my cow's ears are white. Might add a center eyeball to my cow when it's dry. But there's my cow. I could add some legs to it if I wanted to. No, let's put some legs on there, just for fun. Look at my cow. My cow looks like she's been squashed. I love my cow. Now for my pig's not quite dry because I had a lot of paint on there. But same idea. Just trace the outside. Add a circle for the head. I'm going to make this circle fairly big. Of course, the snout. Pig needs some eyes. I'm going to give my pig some little legs. And if that's not the cutest pig that you've seen in a long time, I don't know what is. She's pretty cute. The chick. So, trace my circle. Now, I think my chick needs open mouth. And then my chick definitely needs some wings over here. Up top. A little tuft of hair up top. And finally, some legs. These are the best animals. So, enjoy. Make your own animals. Have fun with it. And clearly it is about the process and not the product. Enjoy.